I would like to congratulate and to thank the Assam government and the BLT representatives of the Bodos for the manner in which they have conducted this dialogue and for the manner in which they have come to this kind of agreement, which I am sure will contribute to peace and harmony and development of that entire region. They have been exerting for a long time, not because there were very great differences, but they wanted to work out the agreement in a proper manner and an enduring manner.